Hello everyone, I'm Hertina Putri from Class 10 MS1. So in this video, I will show you how to make equipment for electrolyte and non-electrolyte solution test, and also test for the solution itself. The tools needed to make this is very simple and it can be found easily in electronic stores. The following are the tools. So this is the inside of tools needed. These are positive and negative poles. So first, assemble both batteries and seal it with duct tape. Here are the tape first. When you put the two batteries together, make sure the positive and the negative pole are stick together.
Video ini ya. Terus
connect the first cable to the positive pole using duct tape. Anyway, this cable's color is my favorite color.
this is the first cable.
Then also connect the second cable to the negative pole. Make sure the cable touches the pole correctly. So if these two cables are combined, electricity will form. Next, I will twist around the first cable to the fitting lamp. And I will also twist around the third cable to the lamp. So if I combine these cables, the lamp will light up. Now, let's test it out. Look, the lamp lights up, right? Now for the last step, twist the second and third cable around each of the nails. By the way, when I twist it to the nails, I can feel the nails heating up. So this concludes that nail is a good conductor, and this is proven by how well it conducts the electricity. And now is the time for the solution test. The solution that I'm going to use are baking soda solution, sugar solution, cooking oil, salt solution, lime juice.
Okay, let's go.
So the first solution that I'm going to test with is the baking soda solution. In this solution, the baking soda is not fully dissolved yet. I'm sorry. The test result is a dim light, and it also produces lots of gas bubbles. So in conclusion, this electrolyte solution is weak. The second one is sugar solution. We can see that the light doesn't light up. And there's no bubbles of gas formed.
This shows that this solution is a non-electrolyte solution. The third one is cooking oil. Here I use only a tiny bit of oil since I'm afraid that my mom would scold me.
Why are you crying?
The results show that small amount of gas bubbles are formed. And the lights remain the same. It doesn't light up. It can be concluded that this solution is a non-electrolyte solution. Next is lime juice. See, there's still seeds. So the result is that the light stays off. And the gas bubbles is very small. So this is non-electrolyte solution. But I saw some articles earlier that lime is a weak electrolyte solution. But from testing I have this. And the last we will test the salt solution. So you can see here the lamp lights up brightly. Lots of gas bubbles are produced. This is obviously a strong electrolyte. So what are electrolytes? This term refers to a substance that when dissolved in water will dissociate into positively charged and negatively charged ions, which have the ability to conduct electricity in solution. A substance that will not dissociate into ions when dissolved in water will not be able to conduct electricity and is therefore called a non-electrolyte. The greater the extent to which a substance dissociates, the stronger an electrolyte it is. So as we look at different types of electrolytes, we will be focusing on the efficiency of the dissociation. If a substance completely dissociates in solution, it is a strong electrolyte and will conduct electricity very well. If a substance only partially ionized in solution, meaning some particles dissociate and some do not, this will be called a weak electrolyte, which will still conduct electricity, but not as well as a strong electrolyte. So I think the video is finished here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.